Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I created this very simple pop of purple. I got the inspiration from a television series that I've been watching recently. The main character is called Alex and she wears this very simple eye but with this pop of purple. It is absolutely gorgeous. It really makes her eyes pop. She also wears this blue eye look as well in the series, but I will do that look another time. But today I want to show you guys how I create Alex's very simple but pop of purple eye look. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know how I created this very simple pop of purple, just keep watching. I am first going to be priming my eyes with my Essence All About Matte Concealer. You can't buy this concealer anymore, but I just use it just to prime my eyes. So I'm just going to apply this over my lid, but not set it. I am then going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Lust. It is a absolutely beautiful purpley blue colour. It's just stunning. And I'm just going to be making a line with it on my lid. I'm now going to grab my Miss Beauty eyeshadow trio. This eyeshadow palette is literally only £1.25. It's very inexpensive and the palette is called Cosmic. I'm going to grab the darker purple shade on a Eco Tools brush. It's a very small brush, so this is a very small eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pack this colour on top of that Urban Decay pencil we just applied. So I'm just going to be applying it on top and bringing it a little bit high, but just not too high. Go back in with that Urban Decay eye pencil and just apply a little bit on top because I feel like that pencil has just faded a little bit, and I'm going to go back in and add a little bit more of that eyeshadow as well. So we're just pretty much adding and blending and adding and blending them together. I'm now going to grab the middle shade, which is a very shimmery pink shade. I'm going to grab that on a Revolution fluffy brush. I think it's like a blending brush. Just going to grab that colour and I'm going to blend this colour slightly on top of where we applied that eyeshadow. I'm not going to bring it high up or anything. I'm just going to blend it so it makes it a little bit more softer and it's just that little simple smoke on the lid. Once I feel like I've blended those colours enough, I'm then going to grab that pink shimmery shade again and I'm going to use it as a brow bone highlighter. Going to grab that Urban Decay eye pencil and I'm going to tight line the upper lash line, and I will tight line the lower lash line a bit later on. I'm now going to be adding some mascara. I'm going to be adding this colour mascara. This is by Too True and this is a purple mascara. Now you might not be able to see the purple on the lashes, but I just find that this purple mascara would just go really nicely with the purple eyes, just to make the eyes pop a little bit more. So if my eyes are shining in the light, you'll be able to see it. If you don't have purple, don't worry, just use black. So I'm going to apply this mascara to my lashes. Taking that Urban Decay kohl pencil again, I'm now going to add that to the lower lash line. Going back in with that dark purple shade on that same small brush, and I'm just going to blend this underneath my lower lashes. Taking that middle pink shade on that same Makeup Revolution brush, I'm going to be blending that colour on the outer edge of my eye and slowly underneath the eye, just so we can blend that purple ever so slightly. Just going to be adding that purple mascara on my lower lashes, taking that pink shade again and adding that to my inner corners as a inner corner highlighter. And this is it, guys. This is the eye look completed. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. You can create this eye look with any color combination you want. You could do this with green, you could do this with red, you could do this with blue, and it'll just create this really simple pop of color without doing too much work. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Take care.